हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू जीके की दुनिया। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए 20 सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जीके की क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूँ जो हर किसी एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो को स्किप मत करिएगा क्योंकि ये सवाल आपके एग्जाम में हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट है और आने वाले हैं। तो व्हेन डिड जवाहरलाल नेहरू बिकेम द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर 15 अगस्त 1947। हु बिकेम द फर्स्ट वुमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर इंदिरा गांधी। Who is the first president of India? Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Answer Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee. First Indian astronaut? Answer Rakesh Sharma. First Indian woman to reach the South Pole? Answer Reena Kaushal Dharmasaktu. First Indian film Moni cinema produced in India? Answer King Harishchandra. When was the first Indian film silent cinema Raja Harishchandra produced in India? Answer 1913. From which word did the English name of India originated? Answer from the word Sindhu. What is Bharatkhand of India? Answer another name. What is agriculture to the Indian economy? Answer spine. Which is the state with the lowest population in India? Answer Sikkim. The first Indian color film is? Answer Krishna Kanhaiya. Oscar Award winner for lifetime achievement? Answer Satyajit Ray. First Viceroy of India? Answer Lord Canning. Who is the first woman minister of the central government of India? Answer Princess Amrit Kaur. First woman chief minister of India? Answer Mrs. Sucheta Kriplani. First woman president of India? Answer Mrs. Pratibha Patil. Last question. First Speaker of the Lok Sabha of India? Answer G.V. Mavalankar.